Hunting originated as a means of survival. Many lifetimes later, the human race still finds value in this pursuit. Because of its longevity, hunting has become embedded in our culture. Art, religion, and societal structures have been woven with threads of the hunt. Today, the legacy of hunting has evolved. Some hunters see it as a way to sustain culture, to remember their traditions, and others view it as a way to stay in touch with the land that gave us life. Join me as I traverse the globe in search of the many traditions that surround mankind's earliest endeavor, the hunt. I'm Hannah Lee, and I'm hot on the trail.
So I'm getting ready to sight in my rifle because elk season is coming.
Perfect. You're right at 3 inches and right on the black line, so it's good.
Cool.
That's a good, accurate little rifle. I mean, you're a little bit high.
Yeah.
You're about. Let me just do. Does everybody speak like a retard when in these shows? So.
I think so.
Yeah.
Bow season just began, and tomorrow morning we'll be up before the sun on a hunt.
So there's an elk wallow up there, and we're gonna go take a peek. My dad's getting a GPS reading on it right now, and then we're gonna go see if there's any elk in there.
That was pretty weak. That was pretty weak. Wasn't even worth doing. Sounded like a fart. I've been passing gas.
Mm-hmm. There's 2 elk straight ahead of us, so we have to move really slow. Oh yeah.
Here they come. He's a Doug boy. There's a lot. Look how black he is.
Can you see it?
Big one's not rolled in the mud. Hurt. Here they come. Dang, they can put so much mileage between you and theirs. Little time.
We just saw